Hello and welcome back to Tech Dive. Lately, Nvidia has been attracting significant attention from retail investors who are buying into the stock at an impressive rate. This enthusiasm isn't just about Nvidia's recent performance, but reflects deeper market trends and sentiments, especially around artificial intelligence. According to Vanda Research, a group that monitors retail trading trends, net purchase of Nvidia by retail investors exceeding $1.1 billion in just 1 week from October 17 to October 23rd. This surge highlights both the confidence retail investors have in Nvidia and the shifting investment preferences of individual buyers. So, what's driving retail buyers to invest in Nvidia's stock so enthusiastically? 1. The allure of artificial intelligence. Nvidia has become almost synonymous with the booming AI industry, given its dominance in high-performance graphics processing units. Essential for AI applications in recent years, Nvidia's GPUs have become the preferred choice for industries deploying AI in sectors from autonomous driving and healthcare to retail and finance. As businesses increasingly integrate AI to enhance their services and capabilities, Nvidia has established itself as the premier provider of hardware that supports AI computation. The current AI boom has created massive demand for Nvidia's products, with its GPUs widely regarded as crucial to the development of scaling of machine learning models. Retail investors are likely drawn to Nvidia as they seek exposure to the rapid growth of AI. Nvidia's focus on this sector aligns with both short and long-term trends in tech, and investors are betting that this will translate to sustained revenue and profit growth. Even when AI sentiment fluctuates, the long-term demand trajectory suggests Nvidia will be able to maintain its foothold in the market. 2. Optimism in Nvidia's continued market expansion. Nvidia's financial performance has consistently exceeded expectations, and this trend has been a significant factor in attracting retail investors. Nvidia's quarter earnings reports in recent years have showcased strong sales growth and profitability. This robust financial performance reassures retail investors that the company can capitalize on expanding AI applications and retain its competitive advantage. In addition, Nvidia has continued to grow its ecosystem through acquisitions and partnerships that enhance its AI product line. For example, its acquisitions of Mellanox and ARM, pending regulatory approval, aim to increase Nvidia's capacity to address data center and mobile processing needs. Nvidia's growing influence in multiple tech sectors suggests an expansive market potential, making it attractive to retail investors who see Nvidia as a well-rounded player in both high-market and high-performance computing and mainstream applications. Number 3. Retail investors shift to single stocks over ETFs. Over the past year, retail investors have shifted from exchange-traded funds to single-stock investments, with Nvidia as a top choice. According to Vanda Research, single-stock purchases by retail investors have outpaced ETF purchases, reflecting an increase in investor optimism. In riskier or uncertain times, retail investors often turn to ETFs to diversify their holdings and reduce volatility exposure. But when sentiment is high, individual stocks with strong narratives like Nvidia often become more appealing as investors look for high returns. The sharp rise in Nvidia's purchases is a signal that retail investors are betting on its potential for significant future growth rather than choosing the relative safety of ETFs. 4. Nvidia's resilience amidst economic uncertainty. With economic volatility and rising interest rates creating challenges across the tech sector, Nvidia's resilience has bolstered its appeal among retail investors. Despite broader market uncertainty, Nvidia's share price has remained relatively stable and even grown, which reassures investors that the company can withstand economic pressures. Nvidia's AI business has proven largely resistant to typical market cycles as businesses are increasingly viewing AI instruments as necessary rather than optional. The company's ability to perform well under varying economic conditions adds an element of security to retail investors seeking reliable growth stocks. 5. Strategic position in data centers and cloud computing. Nvidia has emerged as a key player in the data center and cloud computing spaces, both of which are high-growth areas. The increasing reliance on cloud computing services across industries has proven demand for Nvidia's advanced GPU offerings, which are also optimized for large-scale data processing and AI workloads. Nvidia's presence in this industry has positioned it as a staple in the data center infrastructure, with its GPUs often being integral to the AI processing power that cloud providers require. Retail investors are also likely aware of Nvidia's strategic advantage here, given that major cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud use Nvidia GPUs to support their AI models and data processing needs. As these companies expand their data center capabilities to meet growing AI demand, Nvidia's product remains in high demand, creating an additional growth avenue for the company and another reason for investor confidence. 6. Positive sentiment from upcoming earning reports. Investor enthusiasm is also tied to Nvidia's upcoming earning reports, which is expected to show strong results driven by its dominance in AI and GPU sales. Nvidia's previous earnings announcements have regularly beaten Wall Street's expectations, causing its stock to rise post-report. Retail investors appear to be repositioning themselves in anticipation of yet another positive report. With Nvidia set to report earnings soon, retail investors may see an opportunity to benefit from a potential stock price boost if Nvidia continues its streak of strong quarterly performance. 7. The rise of retail investors influencing market trends. In the era of online trading platforms, retail investors have gained more influence over stock price movements, and Nvidia's recent popularity is a testament to this shift. Unlike institutional investors who tend to focus on broader diversified holdings, retail investors are more likely to pursue stocks with clear growth narratives. Nvidia's AI dominance offers a compelling story that appeals to retail investors looking to tap into emerging trends. Nvidia's price momentum has often mirrored the sentiment of retail traders, whose buying can amplify stock performance during periods of high demand. With online trading platforms enabling retail investors to act quickly, this group can now influence stock trends significantly. Nvidia has become a key example of this shift as individual investors collectively fuel its upward momentum, creating a feedback loop where rising prices attract even more retail investors. 8. Nvidia as a meme stock and social media influence. Beyond its solid fundamentals, Nvidia has also benefited from increased attention on social media, where retail investors discuss high-potential stocks. While not a meme stock in the traditional sense like GameStop or AMC, Nvidia has enjoyed a viral appeal among retail investors who share their enthusiasm on platforms like Reddit and Twitter. This social media buzz has helped to maintain a strong narrative around Nvidia's growth potential, making it popular of a stock to buy, especially among younger investors who are actively seeking out trending stocks. Social media often serves as a platform for retail investors to exchange ideas, with Nvidia's AI relevance making it a frequent topic of discussion. This online enthusiasm has played a part in driving demand for Nvidia shares as retail investors encourage one another to hold on to one or more purchases of Nvidia stock, confident in its long-term growth trajectory. 9. Looking ahead. AI, 5G, and the Internet of Things. Retail investors are likely attracted to Nvidia's involvement in future tech trends beyond AI, such as 5G and Internet of Things. Nvidia's products play a crucial role in the development of 5G infrastructure and the Internet of Things applications, both of which are expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. As Nvidia expands its presence in these fields, retail investors are optimistic that the company's diverse market involvement will drive sustained growth, especially as global demand for connected devices and faster communication networks continue to rise. Nvidia's allure to retail investors lies in its unique position at the heart of some of the most significant technological trends of the 21st century. Between its foundational role in AI, strong financial performance, influence in data centers, and the cultural boost from social media, Nvidia has attracted unprecedented interest from individual investors. Retail investors see Nvidia as more than just a stock; it represents the future of AI, data infrastructure, and connected tech. While Nvidia's stock price reflects high expectations, its performance across multiple tech industries has convinced retail investors to buy in, undeterred by current economic uncertainties. As Nvidia continues to innovate, it remains a top choice for those who are optimistic about its potential to shape the future of technology.